I am Stony Phantom 3. And we are going to climb the slime in the right amount of time. Let's go. I got the rhymes. Let's go. That was not practiced, by the way. That was on the spot. That was on the dime. Man, I just can't stop rhyming, huh? Outrun the rising slime and survive through obstacles to reach the finish line. Yo, the bars are crazy right now. Everything I say is just rhyming. Okay, wait, this is good. This one doesn't look hard at all, so if I choke this, I would be very sad. Okay, good, I'm at the front of the line too. I should be getting first. Hold on. What? How is he up? Oh, wow. I did not foresee this shortcut. Whoa! Oh my goodness, bro. Oh, I choked this. Wait. Oh my goodness. Wait, is it just whoever wins? Whoever gets there first? Is that literally... No! That's what it is, there's slime. It's a survival thing. No! That's funny. Yo. I was so confused. I'm like, wait, is this just like... I didn't realize it was a race, but like a survival type thing. I didn't realize that. I thought it was like a certain amount of people. Why did I get eliminated this part, bro? This is such a... Oh, there they go as well. Never mind. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's actually funny. It's funny to watch. Oh! Oh yeah, it's so easy to dodge. Just go to the other side of it. Okay, there he goes. We have 15 seconds. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. That was crazy. That was so bad for me though. Oh my goodness. So many people got eliminated. Ah man, I should have survived, man. I should have survived. I just got confused and I just was dumb and stepped on the red plate. Sometimes I forget those red plates literally launch you and I just... Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'm Stony Phantom 3. And I'm out.